Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2007 Chevy Suburban. We're going to start our walk around on the driver's side, just looking for dents, stings, scratches. Do our best to point those out. You do get a nice set of tires, good tread left on those Wranglers. As we come down the side, we're just going to kind of zoom in close on some spots there. A little bit of fading in the trim, nothing major. You do get a nice set of step assists to help get in and out of this big monster. And then coming around the back, always looking for scraping and scratching at the rear. Trailer tow is included. A little spot there. Just a couple little thin spots, a little bit of fading on that trim. This is very common on GM and Chevrolet vehicles. Overall, exterior looks good. Taking a look on the interior, you do get full power for the driver's seat. It's a nice gray leather seating. 115,979 is your current mileage. You got AM, FM, XM satellite radio, all your dual climate control functionality right here, easy to get to. A couple power ports, a little extra storage in the armrest. Then all the flooring surface will be gray as well. Looking in the second row now, you do get the captain's chair arrangement here. Gives you a nice pass through to the back seat. Nice large DVD entertainment center back here. You do get rear air controls for those back seat passengers as well. Looking in the cargo area now, this does have the third row in its upright position. You do get a nice privacy cover. Some all-weather mats are included. Normally we would flip and fold that third row to show you that additional storage space, but it'll be kind of hard to see today with the privacy cover, but they do fold. You then can fold your second row as well, giving you full pass-through storage all the way to the back of the front seats, which from back here is a long way. Coming in from the passenger side now, one more look around from this second row. We'll go ahead and flip and fold, revealing access to that third row. If you don't want to use the pass-through between the seats, everything looks great back here. We're going to finish up in the front passenger seat. You do get full power for the passenger as well as driver. One more look over that seating surface. I'm going to take one more spin around the back. This model does have a sunroof as well, and that'll wrap up your 2007 Chevy Suburban.